Welcome to Weight Loss Glory. Today I am going to speak about a topic called rest on weight loss, and I'm going to start from again my healthy lifestyle equation. Weight loss plus good health equals proper exercise plus proper diet plus proper rest into consistency. So, what significance does proper rest have in helping a person who is planning to lose weight, or helping a person who is planning to maintain weight, and helping a person who is planning to live with good health? Rest plays a very important role. As does exercise and diet, rest plays a very important role. Now, when I speak about rest, rest consists of two things. First is the physical rest, the physical rest of the body. The body for a normal healthy adult requires at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep on a daily basis. And if that person is having an active lifestyle, he is involved in some physical activity, like he is in the process of exercising, or his process of walking or anything, then that person at least again requires 8 hours of sleep. 7 hours of sleep is definitely required by a healthy adult. Now when the person is having a sleep less than 7 hours, they say 5 hours or 6 hours on a consistent basis, that leaves a mark on your health. And definitely a person who is planning to lose weight, if they are not resting properly, they are not having physical rest properly in terms of sleep, again they are missing the equation. What a good night's sleep does to you is, it releases the positive good hormones in your body, and the bad hormones like cortisol, I won't go into the biological aspect, I'm just from a layman's perspective, the bad hormones are not released. Now if you are having a lifestyle of lot of stress and you are having very little sleep, your body will behave in this manner that it will release that type of hormones, which again create more stress in your body. So having a proper sleep on a daily basis, physical rest, is of prime importance. And especially it is important for a person who is planning to lose, who is approaching towards his or her weight loss journey, and or even a person who is planning to live with good health. Physical rest has got its significance with living with good health. So trying to incorporate 7 to 8 hours of sleep, especially if you are active, if you are having an active lifestyle, is of prime importance. Number 2 is the mental and emotional rest. Mental peace, having little stress in your life, that is also of prime importance. It is if you go to any doctor and you ask that doctor that, if I have got too much of stress, can you explain me biologically what happens into my body? You will be scared, because when we have a lot of stress, it comes on our mind, and the body releases the bad type of hormones, and all that negative energy flows inside our body, which gives us more stress, and which leads to problems like gas or insomnia, or not feeling good, having high blood, or your blood pressure rising, and all these problems. So mental rest, little stress in your life, is also very important, and especially a person who is planning to lose weight and who is planning to live with good health should keep this in mind, that the more stress you make to to yourself, the more stress you take in your life, the more mental stress you have, it leaves a mark on your body. And with mental stress, your physical stress are related. As I told that mental stress leads to insomnia, lack of sleep. Mental stress leads to, you want to have, you move into depression, you want to eat more, you indulge in overeating. So try to keep a very cool and calm mind as much as you can. Life as a monster has to offer so much things every day. You have to take your kids to school, you have to go to the office, there is so much of traffic, you are involved in so many things. But as much, again, it is you. Everything is going to come to you. Everything is coming to you. How you react to it, how much calm and quietly you take your health. If this is a consistent habit you perform of having chaotic stress in your mind, mental rest, in the long run you will be occupied with problems like hypertension or diabetes or migraines or something. So mental rest is as important as physical rest, and both of them are interrelated. So if we go back to our healthy lifestyle equation, weight loss plus good health, proper exercise, proper diet, proper rest. Rest influences this equation a lot. You have to have proper mental rest as much as you can, and also proper physical rest, proper sleep, and also rest also has got some other attributes which can be mental and physical, like relaxation, relaxing yourself after coming back from office, relaxing yourself on a sofa or on a couch, both mentally and physically. So mental and physical rest have to be given prime importance. If a person is having an active lifestyle, he or she is eating healthy, but they are missing the rest equation, then your healthy lifestyle equation is not complete. So try to incorporate proper rest into your lifestyle as much as you can, and with proper exercise and proper diet, and see what wonders proper rest will do to you and to your general well-being. Take care.